Hi friends, Kiran Bavaskar is here, and today in this video we will study the phyllotaxy. So what is meant by phyllotaxy? It is the science that deals with the study of arrangement of leaves along the stem or its branches. So study of arrangement of the leaves on a stem or its branch is known as a phyllotaxy. So according to that, there are the different types of the leaves according to their the type of arrangement. The first, that is the alternate. So as the name indicate, alternate means what? From the each of the node of the stem, only one leaf is arising. So such type of the arrangement that is known as a alternate type of arrangement. Okay, in this diagram you can see that from that one node, the only one leaf is arising, while again from the second node, second leaf that is originated. In this case, the leaves these are arising in a opposite directions alternatively. The first leaf it is originated in the right direction, while the second leaf that is originated into the left direction. So first type of the arrangement that is known as an alternative arrangement or alternate type of the leaves, when only one leaf it arises from the one node. Okay, suppose the one leaf that is arising from that this node, then again from the second node, the second leaf that is going to arise. So such type of the arrangement it is known as an alternative type of the arrangement. For example, in case of the mint plant, people, or a china rose, the alternative type of the leaves are present. This one is another the second diagram, with the help of which we can clear that how the arrangement is there. Only one leaf that is originated from that each of the node. In the second type, that is the opposite type of the leaves. As the name indicate, opposite means what? The two leaves, sorry, the two leaves, these are arising from the one common node in opposite direction. So such type of the arrangement that is known as an opposite type of the arrangement or opposite leaves. So in this case, the pair of leaves, they may be arranged each above in a right angle or in the same plane. So according to that, again, they may be subdivided. But what is meant by opposite type of the leaves? So in case of that opposite type of the leaves, when the leaves, these are arising, two number of the leaves, these are arising from the one common node, one common point, such type of the arrangement that is known as a alternative type of the, sorry, that is known as a opposite type of the leaves. Opposite means pair of the leaves are arising in opposite direction from the one node. Okay. Now the third type that leaves, that is a whorled. Whorled means what? When more than two number of the leaves, if these are arising from the one common node. Suppose in this case 1, 2, and 3. There are the three different leaves, which, sorry, three different leaves which are originated from that one common node. So such type of the arrangement that is known as a whorled type of the arrangement. So in this way, there are the three major types of the arrangement of the leaves. That is the alternative or opposite, and third one, that is the whorled. Again, we will revise that all the three types with the help of that three different diagrams. So first one, that is the alternative type of the leaves, when only one leaf, if it is originated from the node of the stem in a alternatively. For example, if the first leaf that is originated in the right direction, then the second leaf that is originated into the left direction. So such type of the arrangement that is known as an alternative type of the leaves. When the pair of leaves, these are arising from a one common node in a opposite direction. So such type of the leaves are known as opposite leaves. While in the third case, when more than two leaves, if these are arising from that of the one common node, then such type of the arrangement it is known as a whorled arrangement. For example, in this picture you can see that there are the five different leaves which are originated from that one common node. So these are the whorled type of the arrangement. Okay, so this is regarding to the phyllotaxy. So phyllotaxy means the science that deals with the study of arrangement of leaves on the stem or its branches. And there are the three major types: alternatively arranged leaves, opposite arranged leaves, and word arranged leaves. Okay, thank you, friend.